So thinking about writing and how to transfer some of this over, there's this great Australian writer named Clive James who explains in a nice way how powerful it is to build in these pauses when he's talking about one of his literary idols, an American guy named Edwin Wilson. And he said this, Mr. Patel, about Edmund Wilson's writing.
His great virtue was clarity.
And he explained what he meant by that by saying this. Edmund Wilson generally achieved his great virtue of clarity by saying one thing at a time. And as Ms. Christensen said, we have this tendency to keep on going with our sentences. But what we want to think about, not just with writing, but with speaking, is here's one idea. Let it sit. Let the audience absorb it. And then here's another idea. Not here's 15 ideas all at the same time and I just keep on going and I never have pauses in my sentences. I never have periods. I just go. Not helpful when you're speaking.